7.0e. Have a look. Find the ratio of the variables of the following. You need to find the ratio. Do you understand the question? Here we have 6 questions. For example, A. That means you need to find x to y. X to y equals to what? X equals to 7y, then what is x to y? When you ask this question, that means you need to think what is x over y equals to, right? So let's see. X equals 7y, right? So what is x over y? Yeah, 7 over 1. Therefore, x to y easy. 7 to 1. Okay, here wants to remind you, if we want to find x to y, this one as a colon, don't write as for example 7 to 1, don't write as x 7y equals 7 1. Okay, write the colon clearly. Okay, goes on to have a look part B. 2x equals 5y. Okay, easy, right? So x over y equals 5 over 2. Right? So x to y equals 5 to 2. Okay? After you get the answer, you can think about this one. X to y equals 5 to 2. That means x greater. Have a look at this one. 2x. 2 times x equals 5 times y. Is it x greater than y? Think. 2 times of x then already equals 5 times of y. So x must greater than y. X must greater than y. So this one correct. You can check like this. Goes on part C. 2x plus 5y equals 7x minus 9y. Do you remember how to do this one? Yeah, group it. 5y plus 9y. Grouping. 7x minus 2x. Right. So you get that 5x equals 14y. Right? So what is x over y? Maybe I write here x over y equals 14 over 5, right? So what is x to y? Equals 14 to 5. Correct. Okay? Maybe you write as like this. 2x minus 7x equals negative 9y minus 5y. Actually, both are the same. Negative 5x equals negative 14y. So x over y equals negative 14 over negative 5. Negative value cancel out. You still get this answer. Right? Part D. 3a plus 2b equals 5a plus 6b. Okay? So here 3a minus 5a equals 6b minus 2b. Here, negative 2a equals 4b. Yeah. So what is a over b? 4 over negative 2. Then you get that. 2 to 1. A to b equals 2 to negative 1. Or you write as a to b equals negative 2 to 1. Okay? Both correct. Then maybe you will ask, why here will have negative value in ratio? What means of this? For example, if this one is a speed, or we not say this one as a speed, we need to say it as velocity. Okay? That means if a is 20 meter per second due north, Then this is A, okay? Then B is 10 meter per second due south, okay? Meaning different direction of the speed, okay? So I will need to say that it's a velocity, okay? Understand clearly? Okay, good. Part E, have a look. Part E. 3x equals 4y equals 5z. What can we do in this question? Yeah, you can write as 3x equals to 4y and 4y equals to 5z and separate to find this one. Because this question actually you need to find is x to y to z equals to what? Yeah, 3 in a ratio, 3 things in a ratio. So this one, x to y equals 4, 2, 3, right? Then how about y to z? Yeah, 5 over 4, so y to 4. Okay? So x to y equals 4 to 3, y to z equals 5 to 4, right? Yeah, remember, right? Expand it. Same kind here is 3 and 5. Okay, what should we do? Okay, becomes 15, right? Good. So this one times 5, 22, 15. And how about this one? 15 to 12. At the end, x to y to z equals 20 to 15 to 12. Understand? Here comes from 4 times 5 to 3 times 5. And this one, 5 times 3 to 4 times 3. Okay, so you get this one. Not difficult, right? Just call back your memory, right? Oh, F. 7a equals negative 5b equals 3c. Again. Let's try. A over b equals negative 5 over 7. Write a to b equals negative 5 to 7. B over c equals 3 over negative 5. So b to c equals 3 to negative 5. So use this method again. Yeah, this one becomes 21, right? The common value b expanded as 21. So this one negative 15, right? And this one negative 35, correct. So at the end, a to b to c equals negative 15 to 21 to negative 35. Okay? Maybe question E as an example, I write it one more method and let you know how to do it. 3x, 4y, and 5z. Okay, I let it equals k, where k is a non-zero constant. Okay, then x equals k over 3, y equals k over 4, z equals k over 5, right? Like this. So x to y to z, you can write as k over 3 to k over 4 to k over 5. Okay? Think about it. K over 3 times what value? Same as K over 4 and K over 5. Yeah. You know 3, 4, 5, you get the LCM is 60, right? You can times this one, 60 over K. Okay? So after simplify, this one 20, this one 15, and this one 12. You also can get the answer, right? Here, 20, 15, and 12. Get the same answer. Okay? So this one, not difficult question. Hope you remember how to do this kind of question. Okay?